Scott. My God, Muichiro, is that you? Okay. Okay. Kala ko okay. Tama na ba? Mahulog ko pa. Sardines empanada. Hilda. Fried with cucumber lemonade. Tara, sakay.
Horse is gonna suffer this weight.
Kuya, ready ka na ba? Hey! Scott, show him your toy.
I don't know what this is called.
Locos Norte. That rock formation looks really cool and all, pero there's something off about that erosion. I need to figure it out. Ewan ko, maybe I'll figure it out, maybe I won't, pero it's fishy as hell. Sino yan? Si Elias?
Head of the Philippines na ito. What is actually?
Oh, nasa edge na yan. Open.
It's like the border. So you're telling me, pag doon na tayo sa dagat, Vietnam na ka tayo.
Ay, wait. Oh, yung narinig ko, yung sa Vietnam na yung... Oh, yeah? Na paano raw yung lighthouse? Umuwi ka na, baby. Sweating like crazy. Orange lemonade. Hair's gone.
Hi! I changed my outfit once again since I'm always sweating. I'm sweating insane.
Ayos, pero hindi po malamig. Hindi uso yung tube ice. What can you say about the food?
It's good. I'm hungry.
Dapat kasama yung gulay, ah. Isama mo with the pasta para full saramsam experience. Okay?
Ano ko pala yun? Kakos pa.
Pancit. This is saramsam.
Special day.
Anong tawag dito, ma? Igadu.
Kailangan mabigat ah. Igado.
Igadu. No, hindi ko nalasahan na liver. Oh, ano yun? No, hindi ko nalasahan. Hindi ko napansin. Kasi iba yung texture. Scott, chicken wings.
Chicken wings.
Penge. Isang.
Chicken wings.
Lemongrass.
Ito chicken
Oo nga, ano
wings.
yung in-order nyo? Lemongrass.
Chicken wings.
Oh. Oh my God.
Ay, wow, neto.
packet. Pritong patupat. Wow, ang galing. Pritong patupat, patupat na prito, pritong patupat. Ako may kain ng ice cream. Yan to? Aray, aray, sakit. Ow! Ow! Ang sakit!